All right, good morning. We're at Bay Springs. The water temperature's 87. Got some showers coming through. It's 6:30 in the morning, and it is July the 19th. So I'm wanting to try out some of these black crappie, finicky crappie, Bay Springs, real clear water. So I'm gonna try dropping down to some 4-pound fluorocarbon, some natural presentation, and see how that works. So come along with me and enjoy it. Hopefully we don't get rained out. All right, I just tied a double uni knot. I prefer going braid to braid, but with these crappie and this clear water, I'm gonna try dropping down. And I'm gonna go with a real small hook. I'm gonna try, actually I think I got a smaller hook than that. 148 itty bit jig head. Loop knot. I normally in the river I do straight braid, and I do like a trilene knot or whatever it's called. All right, there we are on that. And here comes the rain. Yikes. Take that little hook, I'm gonna bend it out just a little bit. That's it, just a little bit where it grabs. As Brianna would say, the bottom just fell out. I am grateful for this top. Okay, something I noticed. Thermocline looks like it's about 26 foot and it's thick. So that helps us out on narrowing down water. While we're sitting here in the rain, let's see if I can show you the thermocline I'm talking about. That's real thick. I'm over some good timber, but real thick thermocline. Woohoo! Got one. Man, that was blind casting. That's cool. That is a pretty crappie. Y'all look how pretty that crappie is. Deep green. Now on that fish, I threw towards the stump, but I was blind casting basically. Staying out of the water, but I let it fall. I don't know, a good wow. That was the first cast. I'm telling you, that's luck. That one was luck. I'm already wet. I might as well get after it. Ah. Really? Huh. I don't know what that is. Probably a bass. That one, maybe it's not. second fish. Man, what a pretty bass. Pretty green. Look at that. Man. Alright, buddy. Brim. That was cool. Alright, we are trolling crankbaits now. It's real windy. Saw a bunch of bass. This is some flooded timber. So I'm gonna try to kind of ease up through this. And I thought I saw bass by this stuff. We shall see. Might be a wreck here in a minute. Oh. Oh. If you have this happen, flip the bail. A lot of times that bill will get stuck and then you can float it off. It's not always the case, like this one. I'm just going to have to break it. Oh, it pulled loose. Oh, I can see my crankbait. Oh, there it is. Dang, I made it. I don't know what happened there. That was odd. Came loose. It worked. All good. The hooks are good. So that's what it was. Pretty sure. Pretty bass. Man, that sucker's fat. See ya. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Alright. Chartreuse shad. Probably one of the best all around bandit crankbait colors there is. Sun perch is pretty good too. Ah, was a fish. I think that was a little crappie. Okay, we're fixing to make some everything bagel crappie. So these are a few crappie we caught at Bay Springs. We're gonna do some everything bagel red pepper seasoning. This cream cheese, Everglades seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, and panko. Whoop, there we are. So I'm gonna put some olive oil in this pan first. I'm just putting enough to kind of coat the fish. Crappie fillets. I'm just gonna coat them first. Okay, so got them all oiled up. Next, we're gonna put on the Everglades seasoning. This will give it a good little salty flavor. The other side. That guy's hiding. I dare him. Alright. Now, everything bagel. There we go. Ooh.
That worked.
That worked. Okay. I think that's good, right? What do you think?
Looks good to me.
Alright. Sure looks good.
Mm-hmm. What are you calling this?
Right now it's Bagel Crappie until I think of a better name. Alright. Is that good?
A little bit there.
That's good, right?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Panko. Good?
Good to me.
Alright.
Mmm.
That looks really good. Okay, now we're going to cut some cream cheese. We're going to do 6 slices. It's a little difficult. Alright, so we've had the Traeger preheated to 350 and we're smoking this with some 100% hickory pellets. Probably for about 30 minutes. We'll check. Looking pretty good. Alright, it's been on here about 35 minutes. Looks good.
Here's the final product.
You want these? Right.
Here we go. Should I got more fish?
Oh, you got it. You're doing good. Kind of nervous. You get to try it first. Was it super hot?
Oh, really hot.
Honest opinion. What does it need?
The cream cheese is super hot.
Yeah.
I think it's really good. I think the cream cheese probably overpowers the fish a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So you can't really even tell that you're having fish.
Right?
But it's really good flavor. Has a really good smoky flavor.
Does it need to be on like some Melba toast or something? Or like some,
Probably be good.
ooh, or some French bread sliced?
Mm-hmm. And you could probably get away with doing either a small
Or a
cut.
bagel. It probably would be good on a bagel.
True, people do fish
Yeah,
on.
I know. That's, yeah, like salmon.
But I think you could get away with probably doing less cream cheese just so it doesn't overpower the fish.
Yeah, it was kind of a lot.
But
okay,
it was
I want to
really
try
good.
it now.
Okay. Where's Colby's go?
Alright. Alright, down the hatch.
Gosh.
It's delicious. It's powerful. Smoky. Creamy. But it's so powerful. It needs the French bread or the...
I think one of those crispy little Melba toast things would be really
Yeah, but not like the Melba toast that you get in the Gardettos. Like, it needs to be like French bread or denser than French bread slice. Know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Delicious. It's
It was
really
really
delicious.
good. Yeah. If you're not a big fish person, or if you were eating a fishy fish, I could see how it would really tone down the fish flavor.
I love it.
Yeah. I'd definitely eat it again.
I'm gonna eat it now. It's delicious. I love it.
Give it a try. We're about to go and eat.
Now I'm trying not to crinkle plastic. I feel like I'm in church now, opening a piece of candy. Let's see. I try to not crinkle. The crinklier it gets. I think we should panko and then flip.
When does the cream cheese come
We're gonna slice it and put it on top and then just let it ride.
in?
Panko?
I thought the cream cheese was the binder for the panko and the everything panko.
I don't know. I just came up with this, so